Hi, myself L. Chandrasekhar from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. My topic is two boxes are selected randomly. The first box contains two white balls and three black balls. The second box contains three white balls and four black balls. What is the probability of drawing a white ball? First of all, we know the what is the probability. The probability means possibility. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of random event. The value is expressed from 0 to 1. Probability of has been introduced in maths to predict how likely events are to be happen. The meaning of probability is basically the extent to which something is likely to happen. This is the basic probability theory, which is also used in the probability distribution, where you will learn the possibility of outcomes for a random experiment. To find the probability of a single event to occur, first we should know the total number of possible outcomes. In probability theory, an outcome is a possible result of an experiment or trial. Each possible outcome of a particular experiment is unique, and different outcomes are mutually exclusive. Only one outcome will occur on each trial of the experiment. All of the possible outcomes of an experiment form the elements of sample space. The sample outcomes. The outcomes is the final result of something or the way things end up. When a team wins a game 2-1, this is an example of winning outcome for the team. We can go to the problem. The solution is the block ball can be obtained in two ways. A. Something bag one and then drag a white ball from it, and B. Something bag two and then drawing a white ball from it. Let E1 and E2 be the event of selecting bag 1 and bag 2 respectively, and B be the event of drawing a white ball. We can find now probability of getting a bag 1 from the ball and probability of getting the white ball in bag 2. The probability of white ball getting in first bag is equal to 1 by 2, and the probability of getting white ball in bag 2 is 1 by 2. And we can find the conditional probability of bag 1 as well as conditional probability of bag 2. The conditional probability of bag 1 is equal to probability of drawing a black ball when the first bag has been chosen is equal to, we can know the two white balls in bag 1 and three black balls in bag 1. Therefore, the probability of getting white ball is equal to 2 by 5. Similarly, bag 2 consists of 4 white balls and 2 black balls. Therefore, the conditional probability is equal to 4 by 6. Now we can find the probability of getting white ball is equal to the probability of bag 1 into the probability of the conditional probability of bag 1 plus the probability of bag 1 into the conditional probability of bag 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 plus 1 by 2 into 4 by 6. The resultant is 16 by 30. This is the probability of getting white ball from bag 1 and bag 2. Thank you.